leather conditioner. It's the best stuff we've found. So, I mean, I would say use gloves, but like I never use gloves with this stuff.
This is the only kind of conditioner that will do this too. We've
Yeah.
tried many. This is the only one that works.
It's the best. It's so hot. I can't do it. The leather gets really hot when in the sun, so. Okay. See the difference already? It just looks like amazing.
All this is doing is adding moisture back into the leather.
And this is really nice Italian leather. The brand of this couch is Natuzzi. It's very high quality. This won't work on anything that's fake leather or anything like that. It has to be real leather.
Yeah, it really did help a lot.
Wow, how come I haven't been using a sponge this whole time? And it just pretty much makes it just disappear. And it's lasting, so once it dries, it won't come back. And then you just make sure you take care of your leather by conditioning it and using a quality conditioner like this. Do something like this maybe once every couple months,
Yeah.
just to keep your leather hydrated.
Yeah, after you let it soak in for a little while, you probably want to take a dry rag and wipe it off because this stuff's a little bit sticky.
And so you can see I haven't even used very much. It's about $10 for one of these, and it's just so worth it considering this is like a $6,000 couch and this is only $10. So it's definitely worth it to keep your furniture in good shape and take care of your leather.
So link in the description below.
I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please click the like button and subscribe.